home decor lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest trends in window treatments with our top 5 curtain picks for 2024. Whether you want to refresh your living room or any other space, these curtains will add style and function to your home. Let's get started. 1. Sustainable linen curtains. First up, we have sustainable linen curtains. In 2024, eco-friendly home decor is a major trend, and these curtains are perfect for anyone looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Made from organic linen, they offer a natural, breathable, and timeless look that fits into any decor style. 2. Bold patterned curtains. Next on our list are bold patterned curtains. If you want to make a statement, go for curtains with vibrant patterns and colors. Florals, geometric shapes, and abstract designs are all in vogue this year. These curtains can transform a plain room into a lively and dynamic space. Smart curtains. Third, we have smart curtains. Technology continues to integrate into our homes, and smart curtains are a great example. These motorized curtains can be controlled via remote, smartphone app, or even voice commands. They offer convenience and a touch of luxury, perfect for modern living. 4. Sheer and layered curtains. Fourth on the list are sheer and layered curtains. Combining sheer curtains with heavier drapes allows you to play with light and privacy. The sheer layer softens natural light, creating a cozy ambience, while the heavier layer can be drawn for privacy and insulation. 5. Velvet curtains. Last but not least, velvet curtains are making a big comeback in 2024. These luxurious curtains add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room. Available in rich, deep colors, velvet curtains are perfect for creating a dramatic and cozy atmosphere. And there you have it, our top 5 curtain picks for 2024. From sustainable linen to luxurious velvet, these curtains can elevate the look and feel of your home. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more home decor tips and trends. Which curtain style is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy decorating!